Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have these two Robbins and Myra's 16-inch oscillating table fans from the 1950s or 40s, I'm not sure. They're both not in perfect working order. This one, it works, but it doesn't oscillate. This one, it seems freely moving, but when you turn it on, it seizes up. So they're both not in working order. I think the rod is snapped in this one, because the gearbox is still working. So without further ado, let's go ahead and turn this to low. Medium. Hold on. High. By the gearbox. As you can see, it rotates, but no oscillation. Let's see the spin down time. And there's that. Now the broken one. As you can see, the cage is loose. The switch cover is loose. No head wire, just electric tape. And, of course, it's seized. When it's on, it's seized. But when you turn it off, it runs free. When you turn it on, it seizes right up, as you can see. Watch that again. So, not sure what the problem is. Probably it's magnetizing the bearings together or something, I'm not sure. And the restoration video will be up soon. Thanks for watching, bye.